this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Xbox One if you're going to be reselling it. Let's just go to settings right here and select this. Going down to system, go to go to where it says console info right here. Go to reset console, and then it says if you reset your console, it will restart and erase all accounts, save game settings, and home Xbox association. So we have two different options. We have reset and remove everything. This will remove your account. And then we have reset and keep my games and apps. So I believe you should be good. Most of your information will still be on there, my games and apps. I believe you're still going to have to sign back in with your account. So you can choose which one you want and then go to cancel if you don't want to do that. But if you're going to be reselling it, you might want to just delete everything, reset and remove everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.